Hi, guys. I'm so excited that you're here and that you are looking for tips and strategies to help you start or grow your professional organizing business. If you don't know me, I'm Laurie Palau. I run a company called Simply Be Organized. I host a popular podcast called This Organized Life. And I wrote a book called Hot Mess, A Practical Guide to Getting Organized. But what I really love to do, in addition to helping people live simply and work smarter, is helping other women start and grow professional organizing businesses. And I wish when I was starting out, I had a mentor kind of telling me the do's and don'ts and what I need and what I should avoid. So I'm hoping that if you're just joining us, that you're going to hit subscribe and just soak up all the free content that you can on learning what you need to know about running a successful, profitable business. So today I want to just talk about 3 things that if you're just starting out, that I think are really important, that a lot of people focus on all different things. And I think these are 3 very important things that we need to focus in on. Number 1, if you're going to be going to people's homes, I believe that you need to have insurance. It is something that we don't always talk about, but it's something that is necessary. Once you go beyond just doing friends and family and you are going to actually be taking on clients, it is really wise for you to have business insurance. Basic business insurance for professional organizers should not be more than a few $100s a year. And it's something that I have coached and mentored hundreds of organizers. And I can't tell you how many people have been doing this for years and years and do not have insurance. And I'm grateful that they've never had to need it. But trust me, all it takes is one scare of something getting broken or damaged, or someone accusing you of taking something without permission or whatever. And then you will wish that you had it. So definitely, if you're starting out, please look into getting business insurance. Okay. Second thing that I think is really important is having a separate bank account. Again, once you go and make that transition for, I'm just doing this for free for friends and family, to now I want to make this a business, you need to set it up as a business, which means that you will need a separate business banking account so that you can not only track your finances separately, but that you will be able to just run this and have separate accounting, separate line items as your business grows. Even if you're doing this as like a part-time side hustle, you want to be able to track your expenses, your P&L, all that stuff separately. And if you're like, I don't even know what that is, not to worry. We can worry about that down the road, but just know that you want to keep those expenses and any revenue that comes in separate than your personal stuff. And again, that also goes through with wanting to have that separate business insurance, because you don't want to, if God forbid anything happens, you want your business entity treated separately than your personal assets. Which brings me to my third point is you want to have some sort of structured business entity. And I encourage people, if they're not sure where to start, talk to their accountant. See, should I be an LLC? Should I be a sole proprietor? Should I be an S Corp? I don't think most of you should be an S Corp when you're starting out, maybe down the road. I don't think that would be the place to go. I started as an LLC. I'm still an LLC, and that's how I run my business. Once I had that LLC, it allowed me to get business insurance under that, as well as open my bank account. And once you also have an LLC, that opens the doors for you to be able to sign up for like trade discounts for other retail services, things that you're going to be buying for your clients, for your own business. So I think from a business foundations perspective, having business insurance, a bank account, and some sort of business entity are the 3 most important areas. And I'm going to give you a bonus tip, which is about building a digital footprint. We're going to go into a little bit more about that in another episode, but I do just want to say that I think it's really important to have some place, whether it's a website, social media, or some sort of place, central location that you can direct prospective clients to with a call to action. So again, I'm going to dive deep into that in our next episode because I'm going to talk about social media. But I did just want to say building a digital footprint is really important. If you have any questions for me or you want to learn more about our offerings, visit our website, simplybeorganized.com. That's simply the letter B, organized.com, and check out all the different offerings that we have for our professional organizers to help you start and grow your professional organizing business.